IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. How many hours of sleep do you usually get at night? Band 5. Answer.
I usually sleep about 5 or 6 hours. Sometimes I go to bed late because I watch movies or use my phone. I feel tired in the morning, but it's okay, I can still work.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Short, basic sentences with pauses likely. Ideas connected simply with because and but. Lexical resource, limited vocabulary. Tired, okay. Watch movies, little variety. Grammar, mostly simple present tense. No complex structures or range. Pronunciation, understandable but possibly influenced by L1 sounds or rhythm. And typical of a Band 5. Communicates basic meaning but lacks flexibility and range in grammar and vocabulary. Band 7.5 Answer.
I normally get around 7 hours of sleep a night. I try to go to bed before midnight, but sometimes I stay up a bit later if I have work to finish. I feel fine most mornings, though I do need a strong coffee to get going.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, smooth and natural flow, with logical sequencing. I try to, but sometimes. Lexical resource, varied vocabulary, get around, stay up, a strong coffee to get going. Grammar, uses a mix of tenses and clause types correctly. Pronunciation, clear and natural, with good rhythm and intonation. Typical of a Band 7.5. Communicates fluently with minor hesitation, flexible use of vocabulary and grammar. Band 9 Answer.
I usually get about 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, which I think is just right for me. I've developed a fairly consistent routine. I go to bed around 11 and wake up at 6:30. If I sleep less than that, I tend to feel groggy and less focused the next day.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless and fully natural, cohesive with well-linked ideas. Lexical resource, sophisticated yet natural, consistent routine, groggy, less focused. Grammar, wide range of complex structures used accurately and naturally. Pronunciation, fully natural with precise stress, rhythm, and intonation. Typical of a Band 9, fully fluent, precise, and idiomatic use of language with effortless control of grammar and pronunciation. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.